Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file guide for your chainsaw. A file guide is an essential tool for maintaining your chainsaw's cutting performance. It helps you achieve the precise angles needed for each tooth, ensuring your chain cuts efficiently and safely. Using a guide prevents uneven wear and extends the life of your chain, making your work easier and more effective. Let's get started with the basics of setting it up. First, secure your chainsaw firmly in a vise to prevent any movement during sharpening. This stability is crucial for accuracy. Next, place the file guide directly onto the saw chain, ensuring it sits snugly over the tooth you intend to sharpen. Look for the arrows on your file guide. These indicate the correct filing direction. Make sure they align with the direction of the chain's cutting edge for optimal results.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, for all you avid readers out there, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, whether you're in the workshop or relaxing outdoors. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, select a round file that perfectly matches the size of your chainsaw chain's cutters. Insert the file into the guide and begin filing each tooth with smooth, consistent strokes, always pushing away from you. Apply even pressure to ensure uniform sharpening. Once you've sharpened all the teeth facing one direction, carefully flip your chainsaw in the vise and repeat the process for the teeth on the other side. After sharpening your cutters, it's important to check and adjust the depth gauges. These small protrusions in front of each cutting tooth control how deep the tooth can cut into the wood. Use a flat file along with a specific depth gauge tool. Place the tool over the chain, and if any part of the depth gauge protrudes above the tool, gently file it down until it is flush. This ensures optimal chip removal and smooth cutting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.